What does scripture, what does science show about gratitude? Again, like journaling, it improves physical health. Amazing. It improves psychological health. It improves mental strength. It improves self-esteem. So many of your clients are going to come with low self-esteem. Gratitude raises self-esteem. It improves relationships. You know, as you're in a relationship, can you imagine what it would be instead of judging, instead of noticing what's wrong, instead of passing on your opinions, trying to be right, trying to change? Can you imagine if you regularly felt and communicated the way you're grateful for that person? What if that became part of your relationship practice? It's so easy to notice what's wrong. What if we focus on? What if we privately and we publicly make a point of thanking? So improves relationships, improves our ability to manifest our goals, dreams, and desires. Gratitude opens the door. It really does. It's huge. There's some studies on gratitude that are very fascinating. One group briefly described 5 things that they were grateful for. This was their assignment. They had to go in and they had to describe 5 things that they were grateful that had occurred that week. So each time they had to write 5 things. Another group in this test recorded 5 daily hassles from the previous week that were distressing, that displeased them, that were challenges, problems. And then the third group was a neutral group. They were asked to list 5 events or circumstances that affected them, but they weren't told to focus on gratitude. They weren't told to focus on what was wrong. They weren't told where to aim the camera, okay? So we've got gratitude. We've got the opposite of gratitude, complaining, grumbling, right? And we've got just neutral. That was the study that was done on gratitude. 10 weeks later, doing this for 10 weeks. The gratitude group felt better about their lives and were 25% happier. And there was the assessments to be able to tell what that was. They reported fewer health complaints. Those of you that want to exercise, they exercised an average of 1.5 hours more than the other groups. You see, remember I said that when you make a shift, it bleeds over into the other areas of your life.